Guys, I finally figured out what to do with the bumper, and it looks fabulous.
And we can
I added about 15 horsepower there, 15 horsepower there. Ooh, and definitely 69 horsepower there. All jokes aside, I made the bumper somewhat better than what it was, not by the looks, but I did a thing called drift stitching, is what people call it, where you just zip tie it up where the cracks are, so it's not sagging. So the bumper was sagging a good bit to the ground. So I stitched it with some zip ties, and now it's not dragging so low. So I've been driving the car. But any updates on ordering the bumper? I didn't order one yet. Still debating if I should go with the eBay pre-painted one, or if I should buy one that's not painted and have someone paint it, so I know the paint's actually going to be good and last. Because I don't want to go through that situation again where the paint was peeling on that, because that was awful. That was like the worst paint job I've ever seen. It looked good at first, hands down, but it just started chipping and peeling. It just did not last. I mean, you can tell that the paint just did not want to stick. Even after the accident, paint just does not flake like that after an accident. Not that bad. But as you can see, I got a whole bunch of names on here. So if you're wondering what the names are for, I went on TikTok and had people comment their names, and yeah, as you can tell, I got a lot of comments. There's actually a lot more comments than this. Not gonna lie, guys, out of all the comments I've gotten saying add my name, I probably have over 2,000 comments. I mean, my TikTok's been blown up. Like, the first video I posted of the aftermath of the accident got over 170,000 views, which is absolutely insane. But finally, as you can tell by the title, finally did something that this Mustang has needed ever since I did the interior swap. And yeah, this was definitely needed. You don't know what I'm talking about? Boy, this, ew. So yeah, I found some seats on Marketplace. They are nothing fancy. There are no Recaros. They're just stock GT seats. They're still slightly worn, but they're not ripped up like that. They still have some wear in them, but you know, for $100, can't beat it. I'm just gonna go with it. But they are slightly worn. I'm not too worried about them being worn. There's gonna be aftermarket seats in this eventually, but this will get me by. I just can't stand that ripped up seat anymore. Alrighty guys, picking up a few hours later, but here are the seats. Like I said, they're nothing really special, but they aren't torn on the bottom, so that is like literally the main point where I got them. I'm just gonna swap the bottoms out. But if you're wondering why I just don't keep them the tops, well, it's a little bit worn on the tops more than on the bottom. The bottoms have normal wear and tear, which is not really torn at all, but normal wear, which doesn't look bad at all. They look pretty clean. But see, but I'm just gonna swap the bottoms out. That's no big deal. I also grabbed the back seats too for my buddy Tyler. He has cloth seats and he says he hates cloth. So these aren't like, he's not gonna get the front leather seats, but at least he'll have the good looking cloth seats. So I'm helping him out with that. Just cleaned and conditioned them for him. So yeah, I'm gonna hook these up with him tomorrow. So we popped the backrest off, swapped it onto the other seat in the garage. Got both of the seats out. This is the new seat with the original backrest, and there's very little difference. Like you see, like here in the middle, smooth, and here's like there's little holes, I guess, to breathe. But besides that, it's not super noticeable, and it went right on. All I have to do is just swap the backs. It's very simple. It's better than this one. This one is just this one's ugly, but this. I just now noticed this. So this is a 6-cylinder seat. You can tell like this little lip right here that goes around. It's just a flatter seat. This one's more of a bucket seat and it's smoother. And yeah, I never noticed that. But yeah, I've been rolling around with V6 seats. That's kind of wild. But yeah, if you didn't know that either, yeah, that's the difference. I must say these seats are definitely more comfortable, and it makes me feel like I'm sitting up higher. It's just, man, and I don't slide around as much. Got more of a lip so my phone doesn't fall down in there because I have nowhere to put it. But yeah, I'm actually happy. I only paid $100. Also gonna give Tyler his back seats today. I'm giving him the hookup. He wants leather back seats, so I'm gonna give him the hookup on them. Oh, come on.
He's experiencing testicular hernia and needs to rest for the next 6 to 8 weeks.
Other side too. It's bank 1 that's running lean, right?
Yeah.
You don't have a code for bank 2, do you? I just worry about this side for now. But yeah, I think it's mainly this side. But since those are original, which I don't see why they'd go bad, I'm pretty sure these are original. I can't find them online, but it says Ford Motor Company on them. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with anything that's already been made. Oh, mine never did that before.
I think it's the Viper alarms.
Yeah, about to say mine never did that. It smells rich. It's sad when your TikTok blows up more than your YouTube. Like literally, look at all those followers within the past hour. Jesus, I've been getting this all day. I was at 7,200 followers. Now I'm at 8,167. 11,000 views. Look at these views. Why can I not be pulling these views in on YouTube? God, what am I doing wrong on YouTube? I'm getting views on here. I just don't get it. I'm getting so many views on TikTok, but I guess TikTok is easier to get views on, so they say. But the thing is, what I've been doing is I've been having people comment or follow that have their name put on my car. So I guess that's what kind of drawed all the attention, I guess. These are the TikToks I got so far. They're not all TikToks, they're just people's names also, because they don't want their TikTok on there. They just want their name. But yeah, I got TikToks on there, TikToks below there, TikToks up here, and Instagrams. And I got a blank canvas right here, and man, I'm not gonna be able to get them all. Unfortunately, I can't, but I'm gonna get as many as I can on here. And Tyler signed his name also, which is pretty neat. Look at that, the slower two valve. Oh, nah, man, you're not that slow. Just a little bit. I'm just playing, but man, freaking Tyler, we're struggling hard to find out this problem with this car. But it is definitely not getting fuel. That is definitely one of the big problems. That I think, personally, it's the fuel pump failing. And if I'm right, I'm gonna buy myself a cake, because I would feel so accomplished if that's what it is. Because I've done tons of research on this one code. I forgot what the engine code was called, but it's for it says fuel rail pressure sensor circuit, A circuit or something like that. So I looked up that code, and everybody that had that problem had the same exact problem that Tyler has. The car did not hardly want to run. Like literally, we had it to the full throttle, and the car wouldn't even rev up. So when I looked that up, same exact symptoms, and 3 people on a forum said that they had that issue, and it was a fuel pump, and they replaced the fuel pump, and the car ran 500%. So I'm almost 90% sure that's the fuel pump. But hopefully his car can get started up this weekend. But if it does, and we get running early, like before the weekend even ends, maybe like Saturday, we're gonna have some awesome content for sure. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of the video. Sorry it wasn't anything too exciting, but I did get new seats, thank God. I mean, these things are comfortable. I mean, like, they're probably not comfortable to like Cobra owners or people that have Cobra seats, but to me, these bad boys are comfortable. And oh my God, I just can't get over it. It's just so freaking comfortable compared to what I had, at least. And I found out you can buy a Cobra seat kit, which means that you can strip these seats down to the bare frame and add new padding underneath the leather. And you can make Cobra seats from a kit. Like you can get it to where it has the regular Mustang horse logo, or even the Cobra logo or no logo, and it would look just and feel just like the Cobra seats. It would be identical. It would be basically a brand new mint condition Cobra seat, and I really want to do it, but it's like $550, and I got other things to worry about right now. But here's an idea. You guys have been killing it on Teespring lately. I got $62 on there so far. I never thought I'd get $1 from it. But you guys have been buying some merch. So go ahead and buy some merch. Link, I don't know. I don't think the link will be up there because YouTube's been screwing up. So if the link's not up there, it's down in the description. But I plan on having some more merch coming out soon. I am debating on what kind of merch. I've been thinking about like Halloween related merch since October is around the corner. So yeah, I've just been debating. Shoot me over some ideas in the comments what I could do. Also, I could make merch with this front bumper the way it sets, and that would be pretty funny, and it could be like a limited time thing where you have to buy it within a certain amount of time or else it would be buy. Party guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all later.
And we can better off, better